Welcome to Enagic's Company Profile DVD. This video will give you a brief background of Enagic, its history, philosophy, and its products. The fundamental idea behind Enagic is being able to obtain and maintain true health in every aspect of life. In order to achieve true health, you must have a healthy body, a healthy state of mind, and healthy finances. If you are able to incorporate these three elements into your life, you will have discovered true health. The same values apply to how Enagic manufactures their products, the supportive climate that has been instituted for all of Enagic's employers and distributors, and of course, the end result of their products, pure KANGEN water. Enagic was founded in Okinawa, Japan by Hironari Oshiro. In 1974, Mr. Oshiro began a company that was the precursor to Enagic. In 1990, he officially adopted the true health philosophy to his life and his business, and Enagic was born. Over the next decade, Mr. Oshiro researched how the perfect KANGEN water system should be manufactured and distributed. And in 2000, his product line officially launched with its first water filtration system, the Leveluck Deluxe. 2003 was a monumental year for Enagic, and it became known as Global Year One, marking the beginning of distribution internationally. While distribution was warming up in their new Los Angeles, Taipei, and Hawaii branches, the Leveluck Super 501 and the Anespa water filtration systems were introduced. The following year, in 2004, Enagic's New York office was opened, just in time for their 30-year anniversary. In 2005, the Okinawa, Japan office was designated as Enagic's international headquarters. In 2008, Enagic took another positive step as they opened their official Enagic USA, a U.S. headquarter of Enagic. Today, they continue to spread true health around the world with offices in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Europe, Canada, and of course, Tokyo. More international offices are expected to be announced soon. Enagic's continued success is not only due to its superior product line, but also because of a well-established reputation, a friendly human network of distributors, and a fair, often lucrative commission system. Let's take a look at some of Enagic's products. Enagic currently has 5 main products in their product line. The 4 KANGEN water filtration system include the Leveluck SD501, the Leveluck Super, the Anespa, and the Sunus. Their other product, turmeric, an ultra-healthy root, will be explained later in this video. All of the filtration products are designed and manufactured in Osaka, Japan, under a very strict code of guidelines, which are enforced by the Japanese government. But Enagic takes it one step further than most other water filtration manufacturers. Every component of every product is made from scratch in the factory under close supervision, ensuring efficiency, durability, and the ability to produce the highest quality KANGEN water imaginable. From the electrode plate to the charcoal-infused water filters themselves, everything is made in one place with one amazing result: perfection. In the factory, every product is tested before it is allowed to be shipped out. Once the pH levels, ORP levels, and every function of a unit is tested, it is then authorized to be sent out. But going even beyond quality control, Enagic also has a staff of highly trained engineers at the factory to design superior products for future use. Enagic feels that with all of these various aspects of production being contained to one factory, a supreme level of synergy is created, generating the finest products possible. And once the products are ready to be shipped, they are sent to various distributors around the globe. Every distributor at Enagic is considered to be an important part of the Enagic family. Enagic's belief is that KANGEN water allows you to return to origin, meaning that such a pure water with so many healthy properties will bring joy, peace of mind, and true health to anybody who enjoys it anywhere in the world.